Here I'm going to demonstrate. This is the eyelet setting top die. As you can see, it's grooved out in here for the barrel of the eyelet to fit in. Goes up into the top part of your die. Then the bottom part is a tapered shank that comes up. It's also got a groove out for the washer to lay in here. And again, this washer on the bottom always has to lay upside down. So as you can see, it fits perfectly in that notched out little slot. That is the bottom part. Sets in. Lock it down. Now you're ready to set your eyelet. It comes down, boom, set.